Practically, this might lead us to support reforms that provide fair and humane systems for immigration. At the same time, we recognize the need to address crime and protect communities. On a personal level, it means being kind and welcoming to immigrants in our neighborhoods. Friends, as we reflect on immigration, crime, and justice, I hope that you hear this clearly. The Bible gives us principles to guide our thinking, even when the exact circumstances aren't addressed. We are called to respect the rule of law. But more importantly, we are called to reflect God's justice and compassion in every decision we make. Leviticus 24, verse 22 reminds us that God's law is fair to all, whether native born or foreigner. But when we leave God out of these difficult areas of life, trouble starts to grow. That's why we must seek Him, especially when facing complex issues that don't offer any answers.